morning, guys. Today we are driving to Kiama. Kiama has the largest blowhole either in the world or in Australia, at least in Australia. So we will show you around when we get there. The first stop is Cathedral Rocks. Arrived the first stop, Cathedral Rocks. So behind me, you can see that's an overview of the Cathedral Rocks. So we will just go there. There. See, the Cathedral Rocks is over there. We are going to second stop, Bombo Beach, Bombo Headland. It's a nice drive. About 10 minutes, no, not even 10 minutes, 5 minutes drive. The beach just reviewed. So, hi guys, this is Bombo Beach. I think that is called Bombo Headland, so we will try to walk over there. It's about 300 meters from my standing point. Then if we move to the right, you will see the coastline of Bombo Beach. This little hill, but I don't think we can climb on the top because there are fences along the way, but we will just walk a bit further to that area. Hopefully we can see the entire coastline. Follow me. No, actually we walk over there, Cathedral Rocks. You can actually walk between Cathedral Rocks from here to the Bombo Beach. Let's go down and have a look. Okay, see, this is really unique rock formation. From that point, if I move to the right, dun, over there, you see the unique formation as well. Let me change to a different lens. You can see clear. So we just finished sightseeing of Bombo Headland. Actually, from Cathedral Rocks, from Bombo Headland, you can see Cathedral Rocks in a much closer distance, so the view is much better. Now we are going to have lunch. So there's a cafe have really good rating on Google nearby, which is 4.6 stars. But this cafe is located in Quarry. We just arrived at the town center of Kiama. They have a few shops and cafes. Hungry Monkey is here. This is one we are going to have lunch. Let's wait for Kiama Blowhole. That is lighthouse. That blowhole is that dimension. I will show you when it blows. Hi guys, you can see that black hole over there. It's Kiama Blowhole. But for some reason today, I think it might be low tide, so it looks like super dry. But after this stop, we will go to Little Hole. So Little Hole is another blowhole around Kiama, and that blowhole is smaller, but hopefully that blowhole has waves and splash, so we can see some water come out of the Little Hole. Here we go. We just arrived Little Blowhole. This is the entry. Guys, it's amazing because today is low tide. the big blowhole do not have enough wave to have the splash, but you do see some splash from little blowhole. The little blowhole is over there. Yeah, brother. On our way to Saddleback mountain lookout, we came across this beautiful coastline lookout. Let me show you. Yes, I can literally smell nature. Check out the cows, milk cow over there, a group of them. They are chilling and feeding and resting. This must be a farm. Hi guys, check out the horses. They look magnificent. You know what's interesting is I never know the horses would lie down to sleep. I thought the horse will always stand up even when they are asleep, but apparently they are lying down and chilling. Interesting. You know what? Maybe it's too hot. That's why they are lying down and the grass is a little bit cooler. Maybe that's why. Enjoy handsome horses. The horses are giving me a performance. I think the horses are very curious with what I'm holding in my hand. Wow, I have never been so close to a horse. I did horse riding before when we traveled in Port Stephen, but this time it's really close observation of two handsome horses. Bye horses, bye! This is the Saddleback mountain lookout viewpoint A. From this point, you can see lots of green lands, the farm. In the foggy area, that is the coastline. Hi guys, this is viewpoint B of Saddleback mountain lookout. So from this point you can see a lot of mountains and of course blue sky and the clouds, but you can't see the coastline, coastal line, but still nice. This is the path. This is the path leading us to Viewpoint C, southern point of Saddleback mountain lookout. Okay, I will stop recording and show you when we get there. Here. Okay, be careful with the stairs. Little bit steep, but it's really worth it. I'm sorry for the camera shaking. Wow, it's amazing. Check out the landscape. Hi guys, so the three viewing points of Saddleback mountain lookout. I think the best one is viewpoint A, because you can see the beautiful coastline. Viewpoint B is more for viewing of the mountains. Then viewpoint C is a little bit steep, about 400 meters from the parking spot. So walking with caution. And viewpoint C is also nice. You can't see the coastline, but you can see the green farmland. Well, if you can make it there, check out all three viewpoints. If you do not have enough energy, please check out viewpoint A